Hello everyone, this is Palmer Divide Sirens bringing another siren review video for you here. I've been after one of these for quite some time, honestly, and I'm glad I finally got this. This is a Federal Electric Type D siren. For those of you who may or may not know, the Federal Signal Model D was my first Federal Signal siren, but there were some things that were wrong with it mechanically, and eventually it just got really sick on me, and well, heck, I didn't know how to fix it, so I eventually sold it. And I'm just glad I was able to get this back, except in the older form. And I really do love Federal Electric Type Ds, or Federal Electric sirens in general. That's the Model L. This is the Model D, or the Type D, I should say. But yeah, finally got one, and it works great. Spins well, and unlike when I got my first Model D where the chopper was completely frozen up, this one spins freely. So in this video, I'm going to do a test with this by itself, and then in a separate video coming soon, I'm going to be doing these two together. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a siren test here. So that's the Federal Electric Type D siren. It sounds great, and like I said, I'm glad to have this in my collection. Stay tuned for a video where I do this with that. These are both 8-port sirens, but different models, so that's coming right after this video. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care.